How to log in to Oracle PeopleSoft employee account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to log into Oracle PeopleSoft employee account. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type in oracle.com. You will be directed towards the login page. In the right side of your screen, tap on View Account. Tap on Sign In below the Oracle account. You will be directed towards the login page. Here, enter your username and tap Next, then enter your password. If your company has two-factor authentication enabled, you may be prompted to enter a code sent to your phone or email to approve the login via authentication app. After entering your credential and completing any necessary two-factor authentication, click on the Sign In button. You will be directed to our dashboard where you can access your employee information, pay slips, benefits, and more. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link on your page and follow the instruction to reset it. And that's it. You have successfully logged in into your Oracle employee account. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial like this. See you in the next video.